Alrighty. So, as promised, we are going to be taking a look at how to find the weight of Big Chungus. Now, we know that the weight of Big Chungus in math terms is simply just mass. To find the mass of something, it is simply equal to, in this case, by following the triangle of density is equal to mass divided by volume we can determine that mass would essentially be equal to wrong thing. That density is equal to mass divided by volume. Wrong position. Therefore, mass is volume times density. That's going to be our equation. So, our essential formula, mass is equal to volume times density. So, the volume is how much space is taken up, and the density is basically represented in kilograms per meters cube. Now, we're going to use, to calculate Big Chungus, we're going to be using blood density, which is about 1063 kilograms per cubic meter. For our volume, this is equal to length times width times depth. And I have confirmed that Big Chungus kind of looks like a square on one face, but on the next face, it's a third. What I mean by that is, we know that Big Chungus, let me draw the Big Chungus. That Big Chungus is 100 meters long by 100 meters wide. So 100 meters tall. However, his depth, or how far back he goes, is 1/3 of his length. In this case, 33 meters. So, our final answer to this is 10,000 times 33, which is roughly 10,000 times 33 meters. That's 30,000. This, 330,000. I don't know why I knew that. 330,000, meaning that his volume is 330,000 meters cubed. To find out the mass of Big Chungus, all we need to do is substitute. Now, there are no additions or uses of further respect in this video. That will come in later when we look at how the addition has an effect on weight against diet. That'll be the next video. But for now, we just have this. Let's substitute. Mass is equal to, he was 330,000 meters cubed for volume. And multiply that by the blood density, which is about 1063 kilogram per meter cube. So essentially, all we need to do is just drop the unit conversion and type in our calculators. 330,000 multiplied by 1063. This means that Big Chungus is 350,790,000 kilograms. Let's then convert this into tons. So 300, let's put this into a unit converter. Mass, kilograms to tons. 150,790,000 is about 350,790 tons. There's your final answer. So, Big Chungus, so the mass of Chungus is equal to 350,790 tons. I hope this explored some valuable concepts. Let me know in the future what we should look at in lesson 5, where we look at density and specific, but we also take a further look at aura, which we represent as the Greek letter theta. Theta in mathematics represents angles, but here we use it to represent aura, which is measured in top tans. Top tans, which is basically an aura conversion for kilogram of effect. Hope you enjoyed the lesson. Now you know how much he weighs. See you all next time.